Hey there, welcome back to Thompson Tech Hub. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 simple tips to boost your CPU performance in Windows 10, and it's all free. All you have to do is to just follow along with me. First and foremost, head to the Start menu and type Control Panel. Once it opens, go to the top right corner where it says View By, and then select small icons or large icons. For this video, I will select the large icon. Now, scroll down and find the power options. Click on it. Then you'll see a window with different power plans. If balanced is selected, click on Change Plan Settings under it. But if high performance is selected, like in my case, click Change Plan Settings under High Performance. The next thing is to go to Change Advanced Power Settings. In the window that pops up, scroll down to Processor Power Management and then expand it. Set the minimum processor state to 0% and the maximum to 100%. Then click Apply and then click on OK. The second tip is to go back to the Start menu and click on Settings. Navigate to System and then scroll down to Storage on the left hand side. On the right hand side, scroll down and click on Optimize Drives. Select the drive you want to optimize. Typically, this should be your C drive, and then click on Optimize. This may take a few seconds, so just wait for it to finish. You can also optimize other drives like your game drives if you want. Finally, for the third tip, open this PC or my computer and right click on any blank space. Then select Properties. On the right side, click Change Settings and then go to the Advanced tab and under Performance section, click Settings. Here, you have to choose Adjust for the best performance. Then click Apply and then OK. This will turn off some graphical effects in Windows 10 to boost your system's performance. I hope these quick tips help you speed up your CPU. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.